Welcome to Webstar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to quickly get an avatar for you in Roblox. Normally, it takes a lot of time and you have to browse a lot of items and then try those items to see which suits you. But there's an easy way to get a good looking avatar relatively quickly. To do that, open Roblox app. I'm using Roblox app on a desktop PC. So open Roblox app and click avatar from the left panel. And here it will open marketplace and control right now is on all. So at the top we see recommended for you. So here we see different items, red anime hood and these glasses, hair, emotes, many things. But scroll down and you will see explore styles section. In front of that, there's see all button. Click that. And here are ready to use pre-made avatars. Click at the avatar to wear it and see which one suits you. With right click or left click, you can see this avatar in different angles. Like right click and drag and left click drag to see it in different positions. This is my avatar that I have already got. This is boring, so that is why we are changing it. So we need a good looking avatar. Just select avatar from the left from pre-built styles and you will find a good looking avatar here. This is a good avatar, but this is like ghost, totally white. This one is good, but I like old one. I can go back to that avatar by clicking this back button. This was the avatar that I liked. So we are trying it right now. To get it, you should have Robux in your Roblox account. Then from here, from this screen, click view checkout. And here you will see the items that are associated with this avatar. You will need hair and classic shirts, classic pants, and these two things I have already got. I need these three things. You see here how many Robux will be used to get these three things. 24 Robux, 2 and 2. So total 28 Robux. I can get this avatar by spending 28 Robux. And after I get this avatar, I can wear it after purchase or I can add it to my avatars. I'll select this, add to my avatars and uncheck wear after purchase and then I'll click buy button. And we have bought that avatar. Okay, here we have a few options. If you need more avatar options, go back and from marketplace, click avatars link. There you will see a lot of avatars, ready to use avatars, and you can buy these avatars and equip any of these. Click to equip avatar and then click again to unequip it or remove it. So here is how we can equip the avatar that we already bought. So to do that, I'll go to home, click on my name and profile icon, edit appearance, and here we see switch avatar. Here are the avatars that I have got. These are saved avatars, my previous avatars. And this is the first time I have bought this avatar just for this video. So that's it. By just clicking it, we have equipped this avatar. Let's try it. Go back to home. Let's go to an experience and see if we have got that avatar or not. And here it is. This is our new avatar. Honestly, it looks kind of cool. It looks cool. So this is how you can get a good avatar quickly and equip it in Roblox. Okay guys, I have bought these avatars. Rate these in the comments. Which avatar do you like? So first avatar is this one. Then we have this avatar. Then we have this one. And then we have this one. This looks decent. So I bought these avatars for me. I was using this avatar, but now we have 4 different decent avatars that we can use in games. So which one do you like? Let me know in comments. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.